girl from Canada. If you're new to my channel, I'm Heather. I'm a Canadian that goes to Vegas a lot. I've been going for over 17 years. I used to go monthly sometimes. In today's video, we're going to check out the MGM Grand. We're gonna go to a West Wing King room. Say that 3 times. It's one of their older rooms. It's small, it's 350 square feet, but it's probably one of their cheaper rooms. It starts at about $49 a night and plus resort fees, of course. So you're probably looking at closer to around 100 when you're done. Anyways, stick around, check out the room with me. And at the end of the room tour, I will give you my impressions on what I thought. Let's go check out the room. All right, today we're staying at the MGM Grand in a West Wing room. Here, let me just open it. Or not. Here we go. And it's a small room, but it's just cute if it's just maybe you. Washroom. Shower, no bathtub, just a shower. And then sink. It's kind of modern. Like I say, it's okay for one person, maybe a couple. I'm not gonna be hanging out in here a lot, obviously, because there's not a whole lot of closets. And no, I don't mean there's not a whole lot of closets. There's not a whole lot you're gonna do in this room because, like, yeah, it's small, but it's cute. And it's Saturday and I'm just here for one night and then I'm moving on to the Wynn, so we'll check that one out next. And it overlooks, I don't know if you know about the mansion at the MGM Grand, but that's it there. I should have left the blinds so you could have seen, sorry. All right, so I haven't stayed in this room for like 12 years, maybe more. I don't know, but I just thought it would be kind of cool because I was only coming for one night, just to hang out in here for one night. See what it's all about. A lot of people probably don't even know about the West Wing in Las Vegas at the MGM. All right, so there you go, that's your room tour. Hey, now that you've seen the room, you can see that it is definitely a little small. It is a little dated, modern dated, kind of like I said in the beginning of the video. But overall, I think it's a great room. The only thing I would say is it's a little off the beaten path from the main part of the hotel, as you can see from this map, where it's located on the property. And going down to your room, the halls are a little dark. You know, that could be a bit of a challenge if you're a little wasted and walking down there by yourself. But overall, I think for the price, it's a great room. I did go down to the pool area February, so it looked like there was only one pool open, but hey, that's good. I'm a Canadian. Any pool open in February outside is amazing. That's it for the video. I hope you loved it. And if you're new to my channel and you'd like to subscribe, I would love that. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more room reviews that I've done, you can click on either of these or both. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, let's start again. What's the room called?